What up? Many people requested for a bike check video, and here we are. So 3 weeks ago, I guess it was, I made that video, put it on. It's been freaking cold out. There's still snow on the ground. It's been like negative temperatures for the past couple weeks, and now it's 60 degrees and it's shorts weather again. So guess I'll give you a quick overview of the bike. It's all dialed, 100%. Wait, I don't want to nothing. Ouch, dang it. Nice and smooth. Straight chain. Alright, get this back up. Boiled the grips, extended them. They're longer now, because these are wider bars. Alright, starting in the front, we got Odyssey Ply Light tires, 2.2s, front and back. Walmart valve stem caps. Shadow Conspiracy front hub guard. Snafu Harry Main Racing Tech forks. Halo spokes. Alienation Deviant rim. Salt Plus Expert front hub. Then we come up here, we got Shadow Conspiracy hollow stem bolts, Salt Plus compression cap. This is a Salt stem, I don't know exactly what model, and then Salt bearing caps. Integrated bearings, Snafu Illingworth oil slick bars. They are the ones that taper, like bigger tapers down. ODI long neck grips, premium gutter shark frame, premium 1948 cranks, I think, 184, yeah. Sunday Knox 25 tooth S BSD mid BB set, E-clat pedals. This premium gutter shark frame is the first one. It's got the holes for the mounts if I ever want to go gyro. Definitely not going straight cable. If I do go brakes, it's gonna be gyro. KMC chain, gold or chrome. Darn cars. E-clat seat post. The E-clat seat post was like this long. I cut it down. It's probably right here now. Way the people seat. Same tires as the front. Alienation runaway back rim. Primo drive side hub guard. Salt Plus Expert hub. Halo spokes. And that's pretty much it from what I could think of off the top of my head. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And this thing, I took the grease out of the back hub, so it's really loud. Came in around a little bit under 20 pounds, which I'm pretty freaking happy with. Anything under that, and that's when you really start snapping stuff, and you really don't want that. But I love this bike. Oh man, it's definitely worth putting the money into.